Hey, welcome back to the Blender 3 Docwalk. This is an addenda for the video number 50. I forgot to mention that these aligning techniques can also be used in edit mode to align to the normal of any one selected face. So let's just go through that really quick. Alright, now recall that if we go over here, go down to Viewport Visibility in the Object tab here, Object Properties, and turn on our axes once again. I'm going to rotate this. If you recall, the normal numpad operations are 7, 1, and 3 that align you to the global axes, right? And then Control 7, 1, and 3 is just the opposite side of whatever the original one. So 7 is top, Control 7 is bottom, right? So we don't need to go through all of them, but if you remember, in the documentation, we can align to the selected objects axes by holding Shift down as a modifier here. So Shift, Control, 7, and now I'm aligned to the the Z axis of the selected cube. Well, let's get rid of this cube, and we're going to put something in. Let's do a sphere because let's do an icosphere. And we'll size it up a little bit. We're going to turn on the axes here, and we're going to jump into edit mode. Okay, and we're going to select. We're going to hit 3 for faces. Okay, the shortcut for activating face selection is 3. So tapping 3. All right, now I'm going to select a face and Shift 7. So that's the top of this face. And so what we're going to do here to be able to see the axes for this face, I'm going to select this gizmo, the transform gizmo, and now we can see how we've been aligned when I hit Shift 7, how we've been aligned to the face. So we've got our x-axis going this way, y-axis going this way, and the z-axis coming straight directly at us. So if I hit Shift 1, we're going to be aligned so that we are looking down the y-axis, such as like so, Shift 1, and of course Shift 3 is going to take us looking down the x-axis. Now, of course, you can modify that to look at the other side with Shift Control 3, Shift Control 1, and Shift Control 7. In which case, looking at the bottom of this face is going to be looking, from the other side of the object. So let's look back at the top of the face, Shift 7, and yeah, so that's how you use these shortcuts in edit mode with object faces. I just wanted to add that. I forgot to mention that in the original documentation video, so there it is. All right, thanks. Bye.